Thank you for watching our PS.Today channel Uipath StudioX for beginners. Today's topic is very basic activity, which is card. After you watch the video, you can understand what the card is and how to use the card and what's the merit of using it. Alright, let's get to the first. What is card? The card is newly applied from StudioX. Very useful function for beginners. The card indicates which application to use easily without a mistake. First of all, let me tell you basic components of StudioX. The activities panel has two types of activities. On the above, you can see card. Then on the bottom, you can find actions. The basic programming flow is like this. Firstly, you use card to indicate application to use. Then use action to indicate what action to automate. These two steps are the basic programming flow in StudioX. Secondly, how to use card and the merit of using it. Let us use Excel file automation flow as a typical example. In the activities panel, you can find 4 cards and choose use Excel file card. Drag and drop it into the main panel. As the first step, Excel file card tells to StudioX the targeting application is spreadsheet. Then you can indicate a spreadsheet to use by clicking the folder button, same as regular Windows operation. This enables StudioX to recognize the target spreadsheet. This time you chose the 2020 customer list saved in your desktop. After you select the target Excel file, you can put a name for the spreadsheet. This time you change the reference name as customer list. Using its name, you can easily refer the file later in following activities in the automation project. These steps complete file card settings. Nextly, drop the activities in the Excel file card to specify what you're gonna do using the Excel file referred. This time, for example, use rename sheet action. Choose it and put it into the Excel file card. Then, in the rename sheet action, you need to specify which sheet you are going to change name. In that case, you click plus button on the right side. You click saved name on the top of the candidate to identify the file. The customer list file saved in the desktop has these sheet tabs. Then StudioX integrates with the file and lets you access the internal components directory. You can select any sheet to rename directly from the candidates. You can select the sheet to rename. Sheet selection is done easily without any difficult steps. By using Excel file card, you can specify it by mouse operation only. Next example is Outlook automation flow. Let's say the target application is Outlook. You choose Outlook account card. Simply drop it into the main panel. This means telling StudioX, nextly we are gonna use the Outlook mail account. Then it enables StudioX to integrate with the Outlook. For example, we want to program move Outlook email activity. Drop it inside of the Outlook account card. In move Outlook email activity, you need to select which message to move. To do so, clicking plus button on your right side, this lets you access its data directly. You can see only mouse operation complete the indication. Let me show you other card examples, but pretty much same one as with previous. When you automate Word file, simply choose Word file card. When you automate web pages, other applications, files and folders, you simply choose application browser card. It's very simple. Okay, let's quickly summarize. First, activities are two types, card and action. Second, card enables you to indicate target application easily. Finally, card indicates with the application and lets StudioX access its data directly. So to sum up, let's master card activity to build RPA without a mistake very easily. Thank you for watching today's. From next video, I'm gonna pick up must-know actions for beginners. So using today's card knowledge, next step is to put the actions to program. Please hit the subscribe button, and your like button makes me motivated to create other videos. Hope you enjoyed today's. See you soon. Bye.